Should you pre-inspect your home before listing it? What a great question, and I'm here to answer it. Hi, I'm Jason Dalbey, team lead with the Denver Group here at Compass Real Estate. Let's dive in. All right, first, the pros. A pre-listing inspection can help you avoid any surprises. Imagine you're deep into negotiations and the buyer's inspection reveals a big surprise. That's a problem. It can lead to delays, price concessions, and possibly even a lost deal. By inspecting before listing it, you can price the home accordingly or actually take care of the fixes that you need to do. This can give buyers more confidence in your property. It can also speed up the selling process. A clean report might encourage higher offers or lead to a smoother, faster closing. And of course, there are some downsides. If you run the full gamut of inspections, and here in Colorado, that would include a general inspection, a sewer scope, usually a radon inspection, that can cost you sometimes $750 to $800. If you uncover major repairs needed, you may feel obligated then to fix those prior to listing. Here in Colorado, another thing you have to be aware of is their disclosure laws. You must disclose any issues relating to that home, so latent defects. And this inspection is going to uncover those. And so you are required by law to disclose any issues that you find and also share and disclose that inspection report. So should you pre-inspect your home? If you want peace of mind and a potentially smoother sales process, then yes, absolutely, go for it. But if you'd rather cross that bridge when you get to it and let the buyer submit any objections, then that's fine too. Just be ready to negotiate through those. Still not sure what's best for your situation? Give us a call. We'd love to talk about your unique situation. Thanks again. I'm Jason Dalbey with the Denver Group, and we look forward to hearing from you.